Good morning, Montgomery County, and it's Thursday, September 11th, 2025. I'm Steve, your friendly neighbor with the coffee pot on and your daily dad joke coming up. Around here, some folks just call me Granddude. Coming up, a phony cop busted in Montgomery Village, firefighters douse a Chevy Chase blaze, and a Germantown teacher's Powerball ticket pays off in a big way. And stick around. I've got a dad joke today that'll have you side-eyeing your lunch. Bit of drizzle early today, then clearing skies and sunshine by afternoon. Upper 70s to low 80s, so it's one of those jacket in the morning, sweat in the afternoon kind of days. Police say a Montgomery Village man was arrested for impersonating a cop, flashing lights, fake badge, even a vest. WUSA 9 and Fox 5 both shared the arrest video. If that rattles you, remember most of our officers are out there trained and trusted. Moco Show says investigators are checking if he pulled over more drivers. They're asking folks who saw anything suspicious to give their Vice and Intel team a call. Stay sharp out there, neighbor. Real cops won't mind if you double check. Early Wednesday, firefighters rushed to a Chevy Chase home on Western Avenue after oily rags caught fire. Nobody was hurt, but lanes were blocked for a bit. Guess it proves the point. Home renovations can burn a hole in more than your wallet. Here's something lighter. Wildwood Shopping Center is hosting its fall vintage and artisanal market at the end of September. Expect vinyl records, bracelet making, and even origami cranes for a cause. And since we're talking about Joy, here's a little neighbor wisdom for you. Joy loves simple plans and comfortable shoes. Oh, and speaking of Joy, I've got that dad joke coming up in just a minute, so don't wander off. In Rockville, beloved Mediterranean spot AYSE is making a comeback. They're reopening September 18th at King Farm with all the old favorites. Good news. Pita bread and community buzz are both back on the menu. And talk about luck. A Germantown teacher just won $50,000 on a Powerball ticket. He says it feels surreal and plans to invest the winnings. I say that's one way to cover back-to-school supplies. Now, I promised you a dad joke, and I always deliver. How does a hamburger introduce his girlfriend? Meet Patty. And if that one made you groan, you're in good company. By the way, if you like true crime stories, check out my other podcast, True Crime Cases You Haven't Heard, over at truecrimeunheard.com. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, stay subscribed. And don't forget, you can join the Secret Show email list at tapyournews.com. That's where I send out the extras every now and then. And remember, you can just say, play Good Morning Montgomery County podcast on your smart device. Make it part of your morning, at home, in the car, or when you sneak that hide in the bathroom break. Hey, I won't judge. Bye.